What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting, Google's latest flagship, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. This phone isn't just another upgrade, it's a game changer. Google has always been known for its AI and software magic, and with the Pixel 9 Pro they've taken it to a whole new level. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who needs a phone that thinks faster than you do, this might be the device you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the future with the Pixel 9 Pro. Let's start with the design. The Pixel 9 Pro is a beauty. It's got that signature clean, minimalist Google aesthetic but with some refined touches. The phone comes in three stunning finishes: obsidian black, snow white, and a new metallic seafoam green. The frosted glass back not only feels premium but also keeps those annoying fingerprints away. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip, their fastest and smartest chip yet. This phone isn't just fast, it's smart. Google has integrated more AI features than ever before, and they're not just gimmicks, they're game changers. Now the part you've been waiting for, the camera. Google has always been known for its camera prowess, and the Pixel 9 Pro is no exception. It's packing a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide 12MP lens that captures those epic wide shots. But it's not just about the megapixels, it's the software where Google really shines. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9 Pro excels. It's got a 5000 mAh battery, and thanks to Google's clever AI optimization, this phone learns your usage patterns and adapts to give you power when you need it most. Expect over 24 hours of battery life on a single charge. Now let's talk about software. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with Android 15, and as you'd expect from Google's flagship, it's the smoothest and cleanest version of Android you'll find. No bloatware, just pure, clean, optimized performance. Google has taken privacy and security to the next level with this phone. The Titan M2 security chip is integrated into the Pixel 9 Pro, ensuring your data is safe from hardware-based attacks. Google's privacy dashboard gives you complete control over your data, showing which apps are accessing your location, camera, and microphone in real time. So there you have it, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. It's not just another flagship phone, it's a statement from Google. They've combined their expertise in AI, software, and hardware to create a device that's smart, powerful, and user-friendly. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this review helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the Pixel 9 Pro, and are you thinking of picking one up? I'll catch you in the next video.